Girl, like, yes, honey. Oh, I am feeling my hey y'all. So today intro is not gonna be too long. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and do something different. I've never done a look before with green in it, so I was like, okay, let me see if I'm gonna be feeling this green. And when I say baby, I'm feeling it, digging it, and all of that and above. Like, yes. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Before we even get into this video, go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment. Let's just jump right into the video. So the two palettes I'm going to be using are my Magic palette by Juvia's Place and my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. But for my first transition shade, I'm going to take this yellow from the BH Cosmetics and just work that into my crease. So now from that same palette, I'm just going to take, it's like this fuchsia color, this color here. I'm going to take it using a smaller brush and I'm going to work that into the color. Actually take a smaller brush so I can really pack the color on. Okay, so from the Magic palette, I'm going to switch over to this palette, and just to deepen up my outer V just a little bit, I'm going to take the color Yagity. I don't know. It's the last color in the palette, and I'm just going to just lightly deepen up that outer corner. And I'm going to now take my NYX white eyeshadow base to cut my crease. And I'm just going to kind of get some of it out and cut the crease. I'm just going to take the white from my Morphe 35U palette and set just the like inner part of the crease. Okay, now to add my color, because I said I was going to do green. I guess this look kind of is just going to be colorful. Green really ain't going to be the star of the look, but I'm going to throw a little green up in there because, you know. So the green I'm going to use is called Buzzo. This one here. From the Magic palette. I decided to do a glitter liner, and they just like put this look to 1,000. Like, it was at like 100, you know, it was okay. But now this glitter, it got it at 1,000. Wow, like, yes. So the glitters I'm using are from a company called Cake Your Face Official. And I got her Black Girl Magic so the one I used, it is in the color Miss Winfrey, and I thought this went perfect with this, you know, that money green, because Oprah, we all know, got that bankroll. So yeah, I'll leave her information down below. All her glitters are handmade. She makes all of her glitters. Like, she's bomb. Love these. So that's what I decided to do. So all I did was I'm going to line my lid first with this NYX Vivid Brights liner in the color Vivid Escape. It really doesn't matter what color you line your lid, your eye with, because it's going to be covered with the glitter anyway. But if you look kind of closely, you can see some of the green peeking through. So I just wanted it to still go with the theme. I didn't want any black or anything like that peeking through. Okay, so liner is done, and I just kind of cleaned some of that glitter up, and now we're going to get into the face. So to prime, I'm going to use my, as always, Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer by Hello Fab, well, First Aid Beauty. Because my skin be dry, so I have to moisturize. and prime at the same time. Today I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I've been hearing like a lot of good stuff about this foundation, like especially for it to be a drugstore. Like, so I got this, and I got it in the color 360 Mocha. And I actually think it's going to be a little dark because I swatched it in the store. Yes, I'm one of those people who opens up the foundation and squirts it on my hand to see if it's my shade or not. I'm one of those. Once I swatched it on my hand, like, it was good, you know, in the store. But by the time I got home, I noticed that it had oxidized a little bit. But we'll make it work. Okay. I like. What is this in my hair? Some primer? The color I think matches pretty good, but like I said, I think it's gonna darken up. It's a little red as well. It's definitely full coverage because I have like a black ring that goes around my nose. I have like moles over here that is covered up, so this is thing. I like it. Deep golden for my highlight shade and rich 75 for my contour shade. So we're just gonna take the ColourPop concealer and highlights, and immediately this one is very smooth. The product is really creamy, and I like this this applicator. It's really small and flat, so you can like really apply the product. And it feels really good going on the face. This braid gonna have like all type of makeup on it. I normally don't cream contour, but because I want to try these Pro Filter concealers, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So before I start creasing, I'm gonna go ahead and set underneath my eye with my Airspun powder. I'm just gonna take a brush and just pat that underneath the eye. Well, I'm gonna place it all where I highlight. And then I'm gonna immediately dust away because I don't like to bake. I feel like when you bake, they like leaves that ashy look. To set my contour areas, I'm gonna take my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna add lashes off camera, but before I go off camera, I'm going to go ahead and add blush and highlight. For blush, I'm gonna use from the Magic palette this orange here, the first orange, and it is in the color Zakia. I like orange on deeper skin tones, so just lightly brush. And I don't like my blush to be too vibrant, so, and this is eyeshadow, so it's gonna be pigmented, so you don't need much. Just swipe just like that to bring color back to the face. So my lip combo for today is gonna be my NYX brown liner in Club Hopper, my Gimme Gold Cosmetics lip paint in Terra, and then this is by Becca, their liquid crystal lip topper in the color, I don't see the color, but I think it is, here it is, Rose Quartz and Seashell. Right, so I'm gonna add lashes and I'll be back for the final look. So if you haven't already, please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what kind of looks you want to see next. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.